What are you doing in that time?
I'm just cruising around. I'm one of the boys, but I don't want to get out of here. I want to be part of the action, but I'm quite enjoying the round.
Is your head cold? So he's disappeared for half a night and then comes to breakfast real late. And like we all order coffees and like he's just come in at the coffee stage. Like with all they're all coming out and he's like, oh wait, what coffee is this? We're like, oh, Campos. And he's like, I don't drink Campos. Like, what are you talking about? This is rubbish. I don't drink this. I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven. Something.
7-Eleven quality coffee.
Like he's like, no, that's right. He met this Moroccan kebab dealer who apparently makes the best coffee.
Kebab dealer.
He goes to that guy.
Deals in kebab.
Gone for another half hour. Comes back like super late again.
What do you do for work? I dabble in a little bit of kebab dealing.
I'm getting there, 65 degrees. Okay, here we go, that's it. Run away from ourselves. So it's about 150 ml of water at 85 degrees, and then at 15 seconds you give it a little stir until 35 seconds. Then the cap goes on for to about a minute 5.
You got this down pat.
Yeah.
About a minute 5. Around about.
Roughly.
Roughly 65 seconds.
We're at a minute there, minute 5.
Ooh, look at that.
Cup on, flip over, and then you just want to gently press. You don't want to go too hard. Too fast starts to make the coffee a bit acidic. So you'll hear a gentle hiss. There you go.
Woo!
And that means it's done. Yeah, so I've been using this stainless steel one for camping, just because it means you're not sort of wasting paper and filling up a bin. It's quite good. Ship the coffee up on the fire. It's simple as that to clean it, and then just top it up with water and milk sort of to taste. Just a dash of milk. This coffee is actually really nice to drink black.
We'll see you soon, boys. Good luck on the way back.
I don't know how to stop it.
He doesn't know how to stop it. What a rookie.